Hi, this is Donna Ashton, and I'd like to invite you to my brand new masterclass, 5 Steps to Creating a Profitable Online Program. So what I want most for you is to create a business that supports your busy lifestyle, that gives you time with family, friends, and travel, and that really creates a consistent passive income stream to support you financially. And I believe that the best way to do that is through online programs. So in this free training, I will show you why I think it's really important and crucial for your online business to have an online program. I'll also give you the 3 biggest mistakes that you may make, especially if you're brand new. I'll also teach you my proven 5-step system, the one I used to create dozens and dozens of highly successful and profitable programs. I'll show you how to create 5 figures from just one course, and I'll also give you 5 ways to repurpose your course so you can create additional streams of income. Check the details below, go ahead and sign up, and I'll see you over there on the masterclass. All right, bye-bye.